Ever noticed how some edits just hit perfectly with the music? That's not luck. It's called beat match cutting, and CapCut makes it ridiculously easy. Today I'll show you how to sync your clips to music beats automatically. No manual stress, no guesswork.
Welcome to MasterItNow, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
First, add your music to the timeline. You can use CapCut's built-in sounds or import your own track. Once it's in, tap on the audio clip to open the settings. Now look for Match Cut or Beats. Tap it and let CapCut analyze your audio. You'll see markers appear instantly. Beat 1, strong, main beats. Beat 2, softer, in-between beats. For clean, impactful edits, go with Beat 1. Now here's where everything changes. Select all your clips at once. Drag them onto the timeline, but make sure they sit directly on the music track. And just like that, CapCut automatically cuts and aligns every clip to the beat. No dragging clips one by one. No manual syncing. This one trick instantly makes your edits feel more professional, more rhythmic, and way more satisfying to watch. Try it on your next edit. You'll see the difference immediately.